Well, I think that if you're looking for a career in journalism, if you're looking to follow, pursue a career in journalism, then degrees like the MS journalism that IBA is offering aren't useful. They're absolutely essential. I've always been very impressed by the emphasis on hands-on work. Not just the theory of what news is supposed to be like, but what it actually means in practice. So when we talk about digital literacy, I think that what this particular course offers isn't just digital literacy, it's digital mastery. Any kind of tools that can be taught to aspiring journalists, or frankly to practicing established journalists, are essential. Look, don't get me wrong, journalism is a stressful job. There's stresses that you didn't even know existed before you joined this field. But at the same time, it can also be incredibly rewarding. It can also be a lot of fun. So, I mean, if you're crazy enough to opt for a career in this particular field, and you have to be crazy, then I think that IBA's MS in journalism is for you.